This looks like a luxury brand campaign. But it wasn't shot by a camera, wasn't made by a studio, and didn't cost millions of dollars. I built this entire ad from scratch, step by step. The tool I'm using for this is Topview AI, specifically the Topview board. So the first step is simple. Go to Topview AI and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you land on the board dashboard where all your projects are managed. The Topview board works like a shared creative workspace. Instead of using separate tools for images, videos, and feedback, everything lives inside one board. From the dashboard, I click Create My Board, give the board a project name, and open it. When the board opens, it's completely empty. This single board will hold the entire campaign, all images, all videos, all feedback, and the final assets. Before generating anything, I've already placed all the image prompts in the video description so you can copy them directly. To start, I click on Image in the left sidebar, then choose Text to Image. For the settings, I select the image model, set the aspect ratio to a cinematic format, and set the generation count to 4 images. I paste the first image prompt and then click Generate. This first image is the foundation of the entire campaign. This is where I define the model, the luxury environment, the leopard, and the handbag as the hero product. I'm looking for strong composition, clean lighting, and brand-level presence, not just a nice image. After that, I generate 3 more images using variations of the same prompt. These give me different angles, different poses, and different framing options, just like a real fashion photo shoot. When the images are ready, they appear directly inside the board. I open each image to review the prompt and model used. Then I rate the strongest ones using the star system. Now it's time to bring these visuals to life. Before generating videos, I've also added all the motion prompts in the description, so you don't need to guess anything. I select my strongest image and choose Image to Video. For the first video, I slow things down and do this carefully. In the settings, I choose the video model, set the resolution, set the duration. Then I paste the motion prompt that controls camera movement, subject motion, and pacing. Once everything is set, I click Generate. After the first video, I generate 2 more videos. These are faster variations, different camera movements, slightly different motion, but the same characters and product. This keeps visual consistency while giving me multiple options to choose from. This is the moment where the visuals stop feeling like AI outputs. Motion, timing, and depth completely change the perception. What started as a still image now feels like a real luxury commercial. One of the most powerful parts of the Topview board is collaboration. I can open any image or video and leave comments directly on the asset. This makes it easy to review work with a team or client without emails or screenshots. When the project is ready to be reviewed, I click the Share button. I generate a link and set access to viewer mode so others can review everything without making changes. As the board fills up, managing assets stays simple. I can filter between all images, videos, or audio, filter by star rating, and focus only on the best performing assets. What you just saw looks like a $1 million luxury campaign, but it was created step by step inside one collaborative AI board. If you want to try this workflow yourself, the link is in the description, and you'll also find all the prompts I use there, ready to copy. And for the C Dance 2.0 early access, watch the video on the screen.